It's time to meet Dylan King, the driving force behind the brand, Pistol in Paris. You might see the Lamborghini, the mega house, the helicopter, and think, oh, he's just showing off. But this is Dylan.
You could be having the worst day ever, man, and you get in this, and all of a sudden you forgot about all your cares and worries. Absolutely.
Remember the day when a helicopter hovering above a grow operation meant big trouble? Now it just means the boss has arrived. And we're stepping inside this facility to check out new genetics, talk of all things growing, and meet the crew. From legacy to legal, from the streets to the skies, Dylan's taken everything to the next level. Now, let's step inside Pistol in Paris and see how he does it.